Hey, how you guys doing? So I think the first thing I need to do is kind of apologize for my last review. And that was for the Levi's 1880 triple pleated blouse jacket. I was in a bit of a rush, to be honest, when I made that review, and so you know, I think I was calling cuffs, collars and all sorts, so apologies. But it's on there, you know, if you want to watch it. I'm sure you'll be able to get something from it. Now, moving on to our current focus, which is the Chippewa 11-inch engineer's boot, handcrafted in the US of A. Now, a little bit about Chippewa before I start with the boot. It all started in a small factory on River Street in downtown Chippewa Falls in Wisconsin in 1901. So you know the experiences there as far as the ability to make a great boot is concerned. Now, Chippewa they say they use top quality rugged materials, and they make their boots for or they're inspired by, and they make them for loggers and engineers who paved the way, built the roads, constructed the buildings. And it goes without saying that people like you and I, lovers of denim, riders of bikes, have adopted this brand and the products that they make, and they are now very much a part of our lifestyle. So this particular boot is an 11-inch engineer's boot. It's a biker's boot. It's everything you would expect from a brand like Chippewa, really. To be fair, great quality, rugged construction. You know, these boots are going to last a very, 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 very long time, possibly a lifetime if you look after them. It's a premium cowhide leather that they've used in the construction of this boot. You have a steel toe and a steel shank as well, if I'm not mistaken, and that's running through the in between the inner footbed and the outer sole. The outer sole is a Vibram sole. It's pretty tough. It's supposed to be oil resistant, slip resistant, and you know, it provides an incredible amount of support for your feet. Now you have, you know, I'm not quite sure how high the heel is, but you know, if you're a biker, you'll find it very, very comfortable. The size of the heel won't give you a problem. There's some natural arch support in the boot, so even though the boot has its Goodyear welted and it has a leather inner sole or leather footbed, it does have some arch support, so I have found these boots surprisingly comfortable. And that's kind of all we really have to say about the boot for this moment in time. It's a good looking boot, really, isn't it? They look great with jeans, they look great on your bike. I mean, what more can you ask for? And you're getting your money's worth as well. If you think about, you know, what's out there on the market, these bad boys are handcrafted in the USA. They probably have component parts from China in there, but you know, it's really, really good craftsmanship, really, and you're getting a lot of boots for the money. So if you're a biker, if you're a denim head, these should most definitely be on your radar. You know, there's more to, so just to be clear, I'm in the UK, right? You could probably tell from my accent, and we're just sort of embracing the whole sort of American workwear thing in a major way over here. But a lot of people are still kind of fixated on Red Wings, and it's important to note that there's more to American footwear than Red Wings. You know, the marketing's great, the Instagram looks cool, but you know, it's different horses for different courses. So you know, personally, there's no doubt in my mind whatsoever that the quality of the Chippewa boot can rival or match a Red Wing. No doubt whatsoever. So if the price point of a Red Wing is too high, you should absolutely look at this boot, because they are pretty amazing, and they look great on as well. So I'll just very quickly show you what they look like from the other side. And there you go, and the inner sole, there you go, and that's your lot basically. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I'll try and get some more videos out to you guys soon. Alright, take care, have a fantastic day.